Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to share some recent news on Ebang International Holdings and my trades on this stock. So stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock market. If you guys are interested, check out my link down below. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So let's take a look at the 3 months chart. We can see that it's been very volatile since the beginning of January. In January, it was trading under $5 and then even went to a high of $13.70 back in early February. Came back down to a very strong support of $5. Tried to break this resistance of $12.86 but couldn't. And then this morning, we see this gap down all the way to a low of $5. And that was because Hindenburg Research came out with another short sellers report. So recently, the last one was on RIDE. Now it's on EBON. So we'll go ahead and go to their Twitter account. So let's go through these tweets together. First one, EBON is a China-based crypto company that has raised $374 million from U.S. investors in 4 offerings since going public in June 2020. We think a majority of that investor capital has been diverted out of the company and is never coming back. Before going public on NASDAQ, EBON twice applied to list on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Multiple media outlets reported that EBAN's Hong Kong IPO were suspended following involvement in an alleged sales inflation scheme with a company called Yindao. Yindao was a massive Chinese P2P online leading scam that defaulted on its 20,000 retail investors in 2018, with $655 million vanishing into thin air. Let's take a look at this tweet here. It was July 19, 2018. That's pretty crazy there. While EBON represented that it would use the majority of its numerous capital proceeds to develop its business operations, our research discovered it instead directed much of the cash out of the company through a series of deals with insiders and questionable counterparties. EBON directed $103 million, representing $11 million more than in its entire IPO proceeds, into bonds linked to its U.S. underwriter, which has a track record including fraud and self-dealing allegations and listings that have subsequently imploded. AMTD entered into a similar bond transactions with another company it recently took public in January 2020 called Molecular Data MD. That company is down 70% since has seen its 6 board members and its co-founder resign and had its auditor declined to stand for re-election. In November 2020, EBON tapped the markets for its first secondary offering, announcing a $21 million raise. It claimed proceeds would go primarily for developments. Around the same time, the company directed $21 million to repay related party loans to Chairman CEO Don Hu's relative. EBON claims to be a leading Bitcoin mining machine producer, yet our research indicates this extraordinary claim is backed by no evidence. EBON released its final miner in May 2019 and has since its sales dwindled to near zero. With its mining machine business failing, EBON has pivoted the story to a cryptocurrency exchange launch called Ebondx. Announcements about the exchange added as much as $922 million market capitalization to Ebang. So this was announced yesterday. We found that EBON's exchange appears to be purchased from a white label crypto exchange provider called Blue Helix that offers out-of-the-box crypto exchanges for as little as no money up front. EBON exchange looks remarkably similar to other exchanges related to Blue Helix, like a popular exchange called Huobi. We found numerous mentions of BHEX throughout the source of EBON's exchange. Ebondx reports what appears to be fictitious volumes. Despite just launching and having virtually no online presence, Ebondx volume data implies it is one of the largest spot exchanges in the world. Yet its trading metrics are absent from well-known crypto exchange trackers. EBON is yet another cautionary tale for inexperienced investors, as is Common with other China-based schemes, the company will likely keep selling shares as long as investors are willing to keep buying them. We think this is a clear one-way street and the capital isn't coming back. I definitely did the research on the company. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments down below. I never got into EBON, but I decided to get in now because I think it's a great opportunity to buy at this level. It looks like EBON is recovering well right now. It's around 590 after hours. So what I did this morning was take advantage of the drop and sold some cash secure puts because I wanted to take advantage of the implied volatility. If we take a look at my options, I sold 5 contracts, and when we're selling cash secure puts, all we need to put up is the collateral. The collateral is calculated by 100 times the strike price. In this case, it's 5. So what I'm saying is I don't mind buying 100 shares at $5 if EBON closes at 5 or below on expiration dates, which is next Friday. And in return, I get this pretty decent premium of $75. So this $75 is mine to keep. I sold 5 contracts. What I could have done with this money is buy shares of EBON. Right now, the premium is still very high. So if you're thinking about buying EBON, but you don't want to pay at the current price, which is around $5.93 after hours, you can sell a cash secure put as well and receive almost $50 for selling this cash secure put. So I do know some people that got in pretty high. What you can do then is sell a cover call. So we take a look at the options chain. We go to 16 April. So let's say you bought in when it was around $10. What you can do is sell a $12.50 cash secure put. Collect $13 for every 100 shares that you have. $13 adds up very quickly if you do this monthly. You'll still be making a profit because the strike is at $12.50. So as long as EBON does not go to $12.50 or above, your 100 shares will be released back to you on expiration dates, which is 16 April. So guys, I hope you guys took advantage of this massive dip because that was an opportunity to get in. Look at this. It closed at $5.50. Now it's almost at $6. $6 is acting as a very strong resistance right now. We can get past $6. We can definitely go higher tomorrow. There's a lot of eyes on EBON. So hopefully we can see above 6 and just trying to collect this premium. Every time a stock drops like this is a great time to sell cash secure puts. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.